Good morning students. Welcome to the online class again. Myself Mrs. Komal Makar. I will teach you moral science. Today we will read lesson number 1 part 2 God is love. Students, in our first part we read that God has given us everything, all the beauties of nature, all talents, abilities, and everything to us, our parents, brothers, sisters, everyone. But what is our duty? Our duty to respect God. Then we will discuss in this part that what are the ways by which we can show our respect towards God. Students, how do you show respect towards your parents, grandparents and other persons? There are some ways. We talk to them, listen to them, try to get to know them better and help them. We can do all these things for God also. We are not able to touch Him, but we can feel Him and we can show our respect towards Him by the prayer. First is pray to God. Every day we should pray God. We should tell God that we love His creation and we should appreciate everything we have. Second is do good things. This will show how much we actually love God. By doing good things, good acts of kindness, we can show our love towards God. Honor God's name. God is very respectful for us. So, we should take God's name with honor and respect. Love yourself. We are the beautiful creations of God. So first of all, we should love ourselves and by this way we can show our love towards God. Love your enemies, not ourselves, not our friends. Not only our friends, we should love our enemies also. This act will bring us closer to God. Practice forgiveness. We should not take revenge to anyone. We should forgive them. We should be compassionate to them. It will bring us to the close to God. Students, there are many great people in the world who could experience God's love. Today I will tell you a story of a young boy who loved God very much. His name was Kuriakose. He was born in Kerala on February 10, 1805. His mother was a pious woman. Pious means religious. She taught baby Kuriakose how to love God. She used to pray to God every morning and night. As Kuriakose grew up, along with his mother, he too learned to love God and pray to Him. He loved God very much. He considered God as his dad. He loved God as he loved his own dad. He said, "You are my Father. In you I live. In you I move, and in you I work, and in you and in you. For everything he has given credit to the God. Students, some kids which have no food, no parents, having many problems, even then they still love God and God takes care of them. Sometimes things happen that we don't understand, but God knows everything and He will help us if we ask Him to. God is a great and loving Father, and no matter where we have been and what we have done, He would do anything for us. Students, let's do the exercises of lesson number 1. Our first exercise is question answers. Question number 1. What was the name given to God by the oldest minister? Answer is, the name given by oldest minister is God is love. Question number 2. Do you believe in God's love towards you? Answer: yes, I believe in God's love towards me. Question number 3. Write any 4 loving gifts God has given you. Answer: tree, butterfly, river, garden, etc. Question number 2. Write 10 talents that God has given you. Number 1. Ability to study. Number 2. Ability to play. Number 3. Ability to sing. Number 4. Ability to dance. Number 5. Ability to paint. Number 6. Ability to walk. Number 7. Ability to smile. Number 8. Ability to love. Number 9. Ability to work. And number 10. Ability to help. Students, now it's your home assignment. Watch the video carefully and read the difficult words of the chapter. Second, draw and color the beautiful landscape in your classwork copy, which is given on page number 7. You have to draw this picture in your classwork copy and color it. Students, the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. With this, I am going to conclude this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.